Hey, it's Chris. So, my mom went to Canada, to Newfoundland, Canada, which is the northeast part of Canada. And when she went there, she bought some beer that you can only buy in that area. And because Gin is here, I thought that Gin and I could try some of the beer and see what we think of it. Now, she went there for like 4 or 5 days, had a great time. She had to take a ferry, the boat across over to get there. She really, really loved it. When she was a child, she lived in Newfoundland for a while. And so she wanted to go back for a long, long time. And it took her almost 60 years to finally go back to that part of Canada and go and see the places. Now, where they were is kind of a cold area. And because of that, there is something called iceberg. Now, you know what an iceberg is. So in the ocean, there's, ice that's formed, and usually you can see the top of the iceberg, and then below is a lot. It's much bigger. Well, this beer is made from water from an iceberg. So they go to the iceberg, they take ice, and then they melt it, and they make beer from that iceberg. And then this beer is called 1892. It's something I've never seen before, I've never heard of, and it's a traditional ale, it says. Now, when you talk about beers, they kind of go in levels. So, for example, a Pilsner is light, and then you have a lager, which is a little bit darker, and then you have the IPAs, and you have a porter, and then you have the stout. The stout is the darkest. Now this is, I forgot to say ale. So again, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
This is my sub channel.
Yes.
So Gin and I do videos for our main channel, Chris and Gin channel, or in Japanese,
クリギンチャンネル
and we make food videos, and they're really fun. I think you'd love them. We're making videos from America right now. So anyways, I made a mistake. So real quick, it goes Pilsner,
もう一回それ
lager, ale, and then porter and
IPAs.
stouts. IPAs in there. Yeah,
I love
exactly.
IPA.
So I'm going to let you try first the traditional lager, and I'm going to have the iceberg.
Traditional
beer.
ale とかで
Traditional ale.
Yeah, this is
Traditional ale.
ale.
So we just got back from Mississippi and Louisiana. So I'm a little bit tired, so my brain is a little woo. And I'm going to make it more woo.
Let's get more woo.
With the beer.
A classic ale with sweet caramel.
Sweet caramel.
Yeah, rich malts
Malts.
and herbal hop finish.
Ah, that sounds good. And this one is the iceberg.
Iceberg.
Brewed with pure iceberg water, harvested straight from our shores. All right, let's do it.
Oh my.
Huh?
You did it. Okay,
All right.
cheers.
Cheers.
Everyone.美味しい。本当にちょっとね。This is real taste of caramel.
Oh, you got a real.
But this is not sweet and green. Jam.
I'll call you right back. Bye. I thought I put. I thought I put it on silent mode.
うん
So because this is my sub channel, my videos are a little more rough. So there's more interruptions. It's not that problem. This is a pretty light beer.
Yes.
You know, a pretty like a normal Pilsner. Tastes like a Pilsner. It's sort of a traditional tasting beer. But it does have a nice light, crisp flavor. So why don't you check that out? And I'll try this caramel ale. Yeah. Yeah, I pick up the caramel flavor, but like you said, it's not sweet at all.
香ばしい
Yeah, it's like the caramel aroma, sort of the cooked caramel flavor, but it doesn't have any sweetness from it.
This is ビールって小麦
Yeah, hops,
ホップと麦だっけ
hops, malts, wheat.
そうそうウィットの味がちょっとするよね
Oh,
味が
really?
ちょっと薄いんだけど、最後にちょっとこうめちゃめちゃ日本語で喋ってる
Oh,
ごめん
why did you change?
I'm sorry.
Come back to English.
This taste
Has a wheat flavor.
has a wheat flavor. I love it.
Oh, you like?
全然喋られへん
So we went to Mississippi, Louisiana. How was it? Did you have a good time?
Yes, I have a good time, but I need two more English skills.
You
Because
need to speak more
Yeah, I
English.
speak more English because I want to speak with your
Family.
family's kids.
Yeah.
They talk to me. They care about me, maybe.
Right, they're interested in
Yes,
you. Yeah. And so they wanted to talk to you a lot, and then
he
you.
asked me how long take you edit your video.
Yeah, how long does it take to edit
Yeah.
a video? And you're like, oh,
No,
I'm
I
kidding.
didn't.
No,
But
I'm kidding.
I
I'm
just
kidding.
said 3 days.
3 days finished.
So he said,
Oh, that's interesting.
that's interesting.
Okay, bye.
I am not this character, but
Right. You in Japanese, you're much more lively and fun and excited, but in English, you become very
Walking Dead.
walking dead,
Editing dead.
editing dead. The funny thing is, so we have an American here, we have a Japanese person here, we have Canadian beer, and we have sushi.
Sushi, うまそう。
It's quite an interesting. Oh, an Italian.
I miss Japanese
Italian.
food.
Oh yeah. So you've been here.
Yeah,
Gin has
2
been
weeks.
in America for 2 weeks, and so now he's like, now it's time for some Japanese food. I need some
Yes,
Japanese
yes.
food.
I ate New Orleans chicken.
Yeah.
And it's lovely and maybe my new favorite and food.
Chicken,
But
yeah.
Yes. More or less, I love this one. More or less, I want to eat Japanese food.
Yeah, you just get. We call it a craving.
I craving.
I have a craving for Japanese food.
Craving for Japanese.
Yeah.
Cravings mean miss or something.
No, like
Want?
you want to eat.
Want. What is different? Want and craving. Like digging.
Want can be used in like a little bit or a lot. Craving means you really want
Okay.
And we also
really want.
it. Yeah, we usually use craving mostly for food. So when a woman or a person becomes pregnant,
Yes.
they crave pickles. Or
Or
they crave ice cream, so we call that a craving.
All days, Japanese
Mhm.
mothers, when pregnant, wants to sandwall. 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 Just wall.
They want to eat the wall?
Yes. I heard that sandwall has minerals.
Ah, so there's some minerals in the wall that they crave, their body craves, so they want to eat that. Okay.
マジでと思う。でも結構多かったらしいよ。
Oh, really? All right, I get it.
You get it?
I mean,
Okay.
I've wanted.
Do you want to?
I like to eat food that feels like styrofoam.
Yeah. What's the styrofoam? Ah, crispy treat. No.
Yeah, crispy treat. Crispy treats are a little bit like styrofoam.
No. Is it correct name? Rice crispy.
Oh yeah,
Rice
crispy treats.
treat?
Yeah, Rice crispy treats are kind of like styrofoam, and when you eat it like that, right? Yeah. So.
That's so.
So anyway, we're going to continue drinking because we just got back and we're home in Massachusetts again, and we have tonight off, and then we're going to start making videos. Don't look, he's taking a bath. We're going to start making videos again tomorrow. So we're going to take tonight off. We just came back from our trip.
Tonight's the night.
Tonight's the night to let off steam. Let off steam.
Let off steam.
Yeah, means to just kind of
Inspire the next.
All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we're almost to 4,000 hours for the sub channel.
I think you shouldn't say the sub channel.
What should I say?
This is your channel.
Okay.
So that the people watch your videos.
Okay, so
spend
people
time.
write in the videos, write in the comments. Should I say sub channel or my channel? Which is better, sub channel or my channel?
This is Chris's channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have pride, more pride. This because you create a good video. So
Okay. All right. Well, please
this is
write in
not
the
sub.
comments.
Yeah, this is your main channel.
My main channel and our
Definitely,
main
yes,
channel.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, again, thanks a lot. We're gonna have some sushi and have a good time. We'll see you next time.
Bye bye.
See you.